Will it microwave? We're going to find out. So I got this at Trader Joe's. You don't get much. But I stuck it in the microwave, so that's what I'm reviewing. So you can do the stovetop or the microwave. So I microwaved it, and it's really watery. It's like a cheddar cheese. It says pink sauce. I don't know if this is pink. Does this look pink to you? Yeah, it's like more orangey cheddar cheese. Let me ask, hold on. All right, I just asked someone what they think. And yeah, it's kind of like broccoli cheese soup, cheddar cheese soup without the broccoli. But it has a little extra something to it. And it's pretty good. The inside, mmm. You know, I'm honest on this channel. I'm gonna add some pepper. I don't know why, but I'm thinking of, I mean, I never heard of Chesse-filled. I don't know why, it is giving me Chesse-filled vibes. All right, I'm gonna give this a 9 out of 10. I recommend adding black pepper. Probably cook it in the skillet unless you like some really runny sauce. You don't get much in a bag. The inside of this pasta, the cheese, whatever's going on, is really, really good. I don't know what else to say. But don't microwave it because it's watery. So I'm going to add some chicken from the air fryer to this, and I'm giving it a solid 9 out of 10. Until next time, please comment, like, subscribe. Let me know what foods you want me to try. And yes, I know my hair looks horrible. I need to redo it. Bye-bye.